What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape TikTok influencers automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To scrape TikTok influencers automatically using Claude, we're going to start by creating a skill that will be responsible for scraping our influencers. To create a skill, I'm going to click on Customize right here, then click on Skills. Here I'm going to click on the plus icon right here, then click on Create Skill and click on Create with Claude. Here I'm going to hit Enter. And then here I'm going to describe the skill that we would like Claude to create for us. So we're going to tell Claude, create a skill that finds TikTok influencers based on the user's niche or keyword and extracts publicly available profile data and export the results into a Google Sheet with one row per keyword, including TikTok username, profile link, display name, bio, follow account, engagement rate if available, niche or category, location, email, or a contact link if publicly listed, and a recent post link. Ensure all entries are real, active, non-duplicate, with missing data left blank. Then return the completed Google Sheets link containing the data set. So now for Claude to create our skill, I'm going to hit enter here and give it a few seconds for it to create our skill for us. Here, you can see it successfully created our skill for us. Right here, this is incredible. Also, we went ahead and tested it. Ensure that it's working. How it works, we're going to give it instructions telling it to scrape influencers for us from TikTok using a certain keyword. Then it's going to find the influencers for us. Then it's going to check for duplication. And then add the influencers to a spreadsheet. Then it's going to output a shareable link for us to preview the influencers. Now here, I'm going to save the skill. You can also preview the skill on the right. Ensure that it does everything that we want. You can go over line by line to ensure that the skill is outputting exactly what we want. Here, click on Manage. Preview our skill, more or less, right here. Now, if you feel like this, if you wanted to include a certain piece of information to a skill, or exclude certain piece of information from your skill, you can edit it by clicking on the three dots right here. Click on Edit to edit the skill manually, or you can choose to edit the skill using Claude, as you can see right here. Now, to scrape our TikTok influencers using our skill, I'm going to find our skill right here, the TikTok influencer finder. Then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to scrape 20 fitness influencers on TikTok in the United States and export the results into a Google Sheet containing one row per creator with your TikTok username, profile link, display name, bio, follow account, engagement rate, niche or category, location, email, contact link if listed, and a recent post link, ensuring all entries are real, active, non-duplicate accounts with missing data left blank. Then return the completed Google Sheets link containing the dataset. Now, to scrape the TikTok influencers using our skill, I'm going to hit enter here. Now, we're going to give it a few seconds for it to scrape our influencers for us. You can see it successfully scraped 20 fitness influencers from TikTok in the United States. Then added the influencers to a spreadsheet right here. See a snippet of the influencers. This is incredible. So now to preview our influencers, I'm going to open this link. You can see the 20 influencers that is successfully scraped for us right here. This is incredible. So you can see the username, display name, the bio, follow account. So we are scraping TikTok fitness influencers. You can see the ones with millions of followers and thousands of followers right here. This is incredible. This is the engagement rate, niche or category, the location, contact link, profile link. Some included their recent post link. This is incredible. So we successfully scraped these 20 fitness influencers from TikTok automatically using this skill that we created right here in Claude. This is incredible. You can try scraping 10 more influencers from a different niche or category. So now you can tell to scrape different influencers from TikTok. We're going to use our skill. And we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to scrape 10 beauty influencers from TikTok in the United Kingdom, then export the results into a Google Sheet, and then return the link to preview the leads. Successfully scraped our 10 beauty influencers from the UK right here, and added the influencers to a spreadsheet over here. You can see the snippet of our influencers that is scraped for us from TikTok. This is incredible. To preview the full list of our influencers with their details, I'm going to open this link. Now when we open our spreadsheet right here, you can see we successfully scraped our 10 beauty influencers here from the UK. Here are their usernames, display name, here their bio, follow account, engagement rate, niche or category, the location, contact link, profile URL, and the recent post from them right here. This is incredible. So we successfully scraped these 10 beauty influencers from the UK using the skill that we created right here in Claude. It's incredible. We can try scraping 10 more influencers from different niche. To do that, we're going to use our skill. Then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to scrape 10 travel influencers on TikTok in Canada and export the results into a Google Sheet containing all this data. Then return a link to the spreadsheet with the influencers. To scrape the influencers, I'm going to hit enter right here. You can see it successfully scraped our 10 travel influencers from Canada right here using our skill. This is incredible. You can see the snippet of our 10 influencers with their username, followers, and their location. This is incredible. So now to preview the entire list of our influencers, I'm going to open this link right here. When we open our link, you can see our 10 travel influencers from Canada. Here their usernames, display names, their bio, followers, follow account, engagement rate, niche or category, location, contact link, profile link, and their recent post and here. You can see the preview. This is incredible. So we can try scraping a couple of more influencers one last time using our skill right here. So we can tell Claude, use this skill to scrape 20 food and recipe creators on TikTok globally and export the results into a Google Sheet containing all this data right here. Then return only the link to the spreadsheet with the data. To scrape the influencers, I'm going to hit enter right here. You can see it successfully scraped our food and recipe influencers from TikTok automatically using our skill. You can see the summary. Scrape a total of 20 influencers, got the profile link, display name, bio, follow account, niche, location, contact information, recent post, and the engagement rate. So now to preview our influencers, I'm going to open this link right here. Now when you open our spreadsheet, here you can see our 20 influencers that we scraped using our skill. Here are their usernames, display name, here their bio, follow account, do not get any of the engagement rate, niche or category, location, contact information, the profile URL, and for some we got their recent post links. Let's see right here. So we successfully scraped these influencers automatically, then added the influencers to a spreadsheet similar to this one over here using our TikTok influencer skill that we created right here in Claude. That is how you can scrape TikTok influencers automatically using Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.